Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my students. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English online class. I hope you all are fine. Girls, today we will revise the exercise B of unit 14, page number 61. So today we will revise exercise B of unit 14, page number 61. Okay. Open your books and write the correct word. We have 4 words and we will write each word in the blanks. We have 7 statements and we will correct word we will write in the blanks. So you know, all of you know very well where we will use will, were, was and where. We have 4 words and we will write in the statements were, will, where and was. We use was. The first is was. We use was with the singular when we are talking about the singular, and when we talking about the past time, then we will use was. Got it? When we talking about the one person or one place, one thing, then we will use was, and it comes in the present, not present, it comes in the past time. Okay, गुजरे हुए time में जब हम बात करते हैं, then we will use was. Now the next word is where. When we ask about anything, okay, this is the word where. We usually we use this word in the questions. For example, where do you live? Where is your book? Okay, so the word is where. Then the word is will. Where we use will we use in the future time, means when we talking about the future. Okay, जो टाइम अभी नहीं आया, जो आने वाला होता है, उसमें हम ये वर्ड will यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, और ये हमारे पास आइदर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्लूरल और सिंगुलर, हमने will यूज़ करना है. फाइन. द लास्ट वर्ड इज वर. दिस इज द word were. It comes in the plural ones when we talking about the plural. For example, they were running, they were talking, we were playing. So the were word comes in the with the plural. Okay, and it also shows the time, past time, guzra hua time. Okay, so we have 4 words and we will write in the blanks. So the first one is we dash at the zoo yesterday. So we dash at the zoo yesterday means we were. Okay, the word is were and the same word is yesterday. So it's mean they are talking about the past time, guzra hua time. ठीक है ना? So we were at the zoo yesterday. The word is were. The word is were comes in the first blank. Then dash is a lovely sunny day. So the it is the singular. So the word comes it was a lovely sunny day. Then he went to dash the lion lives. We went to where the lion lives. Where the lion lives. And he dash asleep, so he will asleep. Dash do the tortoise live. Tortoises live. Where do the tortoises live? I dash find them the next time. Next time, it's mean this is talking about the future. So the word comes will. Okay, I will find them the next time. We dash tired at the end. So we were tired at the end. We were tired at the end. So we have the next exercise is question answers of unit 14. Exercise A. Answer the questions. We have 6 question answers and this is very easy question answer. This is not difficult. Okay. The first question is who was the elephant's friend? Girls, keep in your mind when the word comes who, so just we write the keyword of the answer and write the rest of the answer from the question. Who was the elephant's friend? So who was the elephant? The hippopotamus was the elephant's friend. The hippopotamus was the elephant's friend. So you can write the hippopotamus was the elephant friend. The key word is the hippopotamus. Okay. Now, where did the tortoise tie the rope in water? He tied the rope to a big rock. He tied the rope to a big rock. Where did the question is, where did the tortoise tie the rope in the water? He tied the rope. He tied the rope to a big rock. What did the tortoise tie to the tree? Where did the tortoise tie to the tree? So the answer is he tied the rope around big tree. He tied the rope around big tree. Which animal was the most clever? The tortoise was most clever. Which animal got angry? The elephant got angry. The elephant got angry. And we have one more question. Which animal do you like the best? I like tortoise. This is up to you. Which is your choice? I like the tortoise. I like the elephant. I like the I like the hippopotamus. So we have 3 characters in this unit. So which one you like, you can write in the answers. So now we have the next exercise is, this is also the filling the blanks. Write the correct word. We have 4 words: is, are, some, all. Is comes with the singular, are come with the plural, and some and all. All means all things. When we talking about the all, okay, जब हम उसमें सब शामिल करते हैं, then we use the word all. Some means कुछ specific things जो हम लेते हैं. हम जब सब की बात करते हैं, then we use all. जब हम कुछ की बात करते हैं, कुछ, then we use some. So we have 7 statements. There dash 4 seasons. So the word is 4. There 4 seasons. The word is there are. Which word? There are 4 seasons. Then it dash autumn when the leaves fall. It dash. So the word it, so it comes is. It is autumn when the leaves fall. In winter dash animals hibernate. So in winter some animals hibernate. Okay, some animals. In winter dash animals need food. So the word comes all animals need food. Okay, all the animals need food in the winter. So word is all. Then spring dash the next season after winter, spring. So this is the is. Spring is the next season after winter. Then in summer dash children dash on holidays. There are 2 blanks. So in summer some animals are on holidays. In second blank you will write are and are. Okay, and the first blank, some animals in summer some animals are on holiday. In first blank you will write some. In second you will write are on holidays. Many children have dash pets at home. So many children have some pets at home. Some pets at home. And now this is, there are 4 leaves. Here dash some autumn leaves. So which word comes? Here are some leaves. Some autumn leaves. Here are some autumn leaves. So this is your 3 exercise. You have to revise in your home. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.